Hey guys, welcome. This is Justin Costello with Marinemax in Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour on this brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. It's a beautiful light blue gel coat hull, single white 350 Verado on the back. Let's climb in and take a look at the options. You can see here on the port side transom that we have a plug for your battery charger. Also raw water wash down here. Starboard side walkthrough. Boat is equipped with the hard top. The upgraded leaning post with live well and Yeti cooler. Flip up bolsters on the seat. And then of course, this is the new latest and greatest Raymarine Axiom Pro 12-inch screen, 1000 watt built-in sonar. We do have room to put another one. We got a Fusion stereo with Bluetooth connectivity. Nice large sun pad in the front. Great place to lounge. You're below the gunnels. You got grab handles all the way up front. Love this wraparound seating here. There is equipped with a bow table that goes in the slot here. Love that we get these backrests that sit up so your passengers both up front when you're cruising can just hang out right here. This is a great social and entertaining area on the boat. It's a great boat to go from fishing to cruising. It's available here at Marinemax Pompano Beach. 954-633-2070. My name is Justin Costello. Give me a call and I'd love to talk to you and show you this boat.